Hi everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. This time I would like to show you a double crochet base. So usually we're chaining stitches in one direction, and on the first row we're going to crochet double crochets into the other direction. And sometimes the tension is not really perfect and you get a banana shape, or maybe if you want to join your chain to a circle, then it may be twist and you don't see it, but it's better to have a double crochet base. So if you join this to a round, it won't twist, so it's harder to twist that one. And if you want to crochet a double crochet after your chain stitch, it's also way more elastic than chaining stitches first. So I will show you how to do this double crochet base. Let's go. So for the beginning, create a simple knot, and for this create a circle. Put the long strand under the circle and pull it through, and then just insert your hook just as usual, a simple slip knot, and then chain 3. For this, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and you've got 3 chain stitches. Then yarn over, go through the very first stitch, pull up a loop. You've got 3 loops on your hook, and to grow your base we've got to yarn over and pull only through 1. So you've got again 3, and then crochet your double crochet through 2 and through 2. So, and this is your double crochet. One more time, yarn over. So we're going through the base stitch here, and make sure to grab both loops of your stitch, so the front and the back loop, and then yarn over and pull up your loop. Then yarn over and pull only through 1 to grow the base. So that's for growing the base. And then you've got again 3 left, yarn over, through 2, yarn over, through 2, and the next double crochet. Okay, one more time, yarn over through the base, under both loops, pull up a loop, make sure it's loose, so don't tighten that too much, and then pull up a loop. Then again you've got your 3 loops, and then through 2 and through 2 for the next double crochet. And yeah, so that's it. That's how to crochet this double crochet base. Very simple, elastic, and you've got it from the very beginning. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Happy crochet, guys, and until next time, bye bye.